8 Best Herb Garden Supplies. Tips for planting herbs. When you decide to start growing herbs, the next thing you need to do is figure out what supplies you need to buy. You may be able to find some things at home that you can use at second-hand stores, as well as at the garden store. Plus, of course, you can find supplies to buy online. 1. Seeds. If you want to grow herbs from seeds, they can be purchased from many stores like the grocery store, Home Depot, Lowe's, and more traditional neighborhood garden stores. But you can also order them online via Amazon kits, like this 5 Herbs from Organic Seeds kit. The important thing is to buy seeds from someone you trust. 2. Space. You're going to need some space to grow herbs. If you're doing it indoors, you'll need shelving that allows you to either move the plants to a window for direct light or that offers space for grow lights to be added. If you want to do it outdoors, you could even use a little portable outdoor greenhouse for your herb garden. 3. Pots. The best pots to grow herbs are pots that allow for easy irrigation. Terracotta pots are a good choice because they soak in water and help keep your seeds from drying out. But you do need to be careful not to overwater anyway. 4. Potting soil. Go to any garden supply store or even Walmart's garden center to find the right soil. The soil mix really depends on exactly what you're planting, but most of the time a pre-mixed potting soil is enough for your herb garden. 5. Plant fertilizer. While you don't really need that much fertilizer for herbs, feeding them on occasion is a good idea. It'll make for a super healthy plant, but you don't need to overdo it. The type of fertilizer you use will depend on the herbs you are growing, as well as where you're growing them. Try to use organic fertilizers for the best results. 6. Water. Naturally you'll need water. But one thing a lot of people don't realize is that sometimes tap water isn't the best choice. If your water is treated a lot or has a high level of limestone in it, you may need to ensure you have filtered water to use. 7. Sunlight. Some herbs, such as basil, need full sun to grow, but others don't. You'll need to learn everything you can about the particular herb that you're planting to find out how to properly care for it. If you don't have sunlight, you can also use grow lights to help simulate the same thing that the sun does for the plants. 8. Darkness. Some people don't realize, but your herb plants also need darkness to fulfill the entire plant day cycle and grow properly. Ensure that no floodlights are directed to your garden area if it's outside, and that you turn off lights in the house at night. After that, the most that you need to grow herbs are your hands and the will to learn how to do it. It may take some practice to get it right, but growing your own herbs at home is a wonderful way to brighten up your cooking for not a lot of money. Do you want to learn about how to grow and prepare your own homemade remedies? Visit the link below in the description to learn more.